Well, hello everyone. How are you? This is Donna. So today, actually, I think it was yesterday, I was moving around some stuff and I found a whole stack of like some quilt tops that, it's going to take me a long time to get where I can actually quilt them. So I just kind of moved them into long term storage, and then I found this thing. This is part of or it is a jelly roll race that I'd made after watching one of Donna Jordan's videos. And this is rather, it's probably close to 90 inches wide. And after I did this little part, I had gone back to the store where I had bought the jelly rolls to buy the last three that she had, so I could make this a large quilt. And I don't know if she was on a break and didn't want to get up, but I sit around there at the counter for 15 minutes with the jelly rolls sitting there, and she didn't want to sell them. So anyway, I figured I wasn't going to throw this away because I liked it, and I thought, what I'm going to do, I'm going to kind of cut it in half, and this end over here I have to straighten up this edge. That one maybe a little bit, but it's pretty close. But I am going to make this into two wheelchair quilts that I am going to donate to the nursing center around town. So I don't know. I like it. It's very cheerful, very springy, and instead of just throwing it away, at least now I have found a use for it, because goodness knows, I don't think I could find, three more of these jelly rolls. This has been years ago, so I don't know. Anyway, I think that little place is out of business, and from what I remember reading about reviews, it's probably for the way they treated their customers. But I don't know. You can't sell fabric if you don't get up off your bee honey and go to the register, right? Anyway, how long am I supposed to wait? 10 minutes for you to get up? Well, sorry about that. Rant over. But anyway, I think I'm going to do that, and that may be a next little project here. So I will talk to you later. I hope you are having a fabulous, fabulous weekend. And if you plan on, I don't know, sewing instead of watching the Super Bowl or the Super Bowl halftime, let me know. Talk to you later. Bye.